Today I'm going to talk about a very good site for learning algorithm and data structure for FAANG companies. The name of the site is quickcode.com. It starts with KUICKCODE.com. So once you log in, you just click in the link and then it opens up to an introduction page. It tells about the sites, and then this site has basic concepts as well as advanced problems. Basic concepts, for example, all hash map, tree map, hash set, tree set, and basic math, right? Common series, prefix sum, and many more, logarithms. And it also talks about P and NP problem, which is very, very common and to be asked in Google interviews. And we have basic concepts about bottom-up and top-down approaches. And the basic concept about binary search, binary tree, basic concept of graph, right? The graph using adjacency list and adjacency matrix, and Dijkstra's algorithm is nicely explained. And we have binary tree upside down, so problem is solved here. And we have segment trees and prefix trees, which are of advanced level. And we have sorting algorithms of order of n, like bucket sort and counting sort. And then we have sorting algorithm of order n log n, like heap sort, quick sort, and sorting algorithm of order n square, which is bubble sort, insertion sort. And there are many tricky problems that is there. For example, carpooling. So problem description is here, clarification is here, and then key insight is given here, and time complexity is given here, and an efficient code is given here. This code, time complexity of this code is n log n, and the space complexity is n. So now you can write your own code here. Let me just reset to, you can write your own code and then execute your above code using execute button here. So there's no code. Let me copy this code and then put it in here and run it on this input. So this code runs on this input, and you can change the input if you want. So for example, I turn 1 into 2 and then run it. So, and then if you hit submit, then there are many 20 or 25 inputs that will be run against the code, and then it will tell you whether the code is correct or not. So all internal test suite passed. Okay, and similarly you can go to continuous subarray. So problem description is there, example is there, clarification is there, key concept, which is very important, key concept is here, and then approach, how you approach the problem, and then an efficient problem is here. So the time complexity of the problem is n, and space complexity also n. So you can write the problem, you write your own solution and check whether the solution is correct or not. Let me copy it from here and then run it once again. So execute, yeah, it passed. Submit, also passed. So evaluate division, right? So this is nicely, the problem statement is above, and then key insight is given here with the graph, so that you understand very, very nicely. And then you have the time complexity and space complexity, and an efficient solution is here. So similarly, we have filling bookcase shelves, all numbers disappearing in an array, eventual safe state, find original array from the double linked list. And there are many, largest rectangle histogram, and it is nicely explained with diagrams. So basically, whatever the FAANG companies ask for in the coding interview, all those problems are here. So this is like, one place to learn algorithm and data structure of all different concepts, and you can become interview ready for if you study this side. So we have binary tree, basic concepts. Basic concepts include what are the different binary trees are and what are the properties, and then balanced binary tree, maximum depth binary tree, and then delete node and return forest, maximum level sum, and maximum path sum. So, and many more. There are a lot of binary trees problem is here, enough for coding interview. Then we have depth first search and breadth first search, edit distance, word distance, then confusing number. Then arrays are very important, so study array problems very carefully. So for example, car fleet solutions, couples holding hands, maximum cost to hire care workers. So all are nicely explained here with clarifications and key insights, and an efficient code is here. And yeah, so we have array, mountain array, binary search on rotated arrays, problems on coins, and problems on designs. For example, design a phone directory or design a hit counter. And we have other problems on dynamic programming. So if you look at the dynamic, find all combinations, combination count from let me see what is in there, from unlimited coins. Okay, maximal rectangle, maximum number of coins with maximum number of points with cost. Okay, palindrome problems, maximize palindrome length problem. Then we have basic graph problem, and then all paths from source to target problem, Digester's algorithm, many more, right? Accounts merge problem, find celebrity problem, and there are many more. We have also here, like I see linked list, math, and many problems related to math, like find the sum of 2 elements, sum of 3 elements, sum of 4 elements, and palindromes, and many more. So this site is very, very comprehensive to prepare for coding interviews. So guys, if you are on the way, and waste a lot of time, then you can open this app on your phone. So it will open, if you open the app on your phone, it will open up like this. It will open up like this in a small in a mobile screen, so that you can select any of the problem, right? And then for example, let me select some problems here. Say binary search upside down, and then you can read out the problems and key concepts, and then if you want to execute, then you can come over here and execute it. So basically, if you're on the way, you can also study this from your phone. So yeah, so the name of this site is quickcode.com. Visit quickcode.com, quickcode.com, and see if it helps or not. Thank you. Bye.